Let's have a look at our third chord, the D chord. I'm going to start by playing the E minor chord again. Then I'm going to drop and separate my fingers so I get my A7 chord. Then I'm going to take my fingers with a gap between them and drop them an extra string. So my first finger is on the third string, there's a gap, my second finger is on the first string. Now I'm going to take my third finger and fill the gap. I'm going to place it on the second string and I'm in behind the third fret. With this chord, I try not to strum the sixth or the fifth string. You might find as you're changing to this chord, you'll place your first two fingers down and add your third finger in. Eventually you'll find all your fingers go together and place together, but when you're beginning, you'll most likely find that you'll drop your fingers down and add your third finger in.